West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar on Thursday visited the post-poll violence-affected Cooch Behar district. Dhankar is visiting violence-hit areas which had taken place after the election results were announced. As soon as he reached Cooch Behar district, the governor said that he must preserve, protect and defend the constitution.
Elections were held in 4 states and 1 union territory. Why did violence only happen in Bengal? The government system did not inform me. I have decided that I will take all possible steps so that people can be encouraged.
Jagdeep Dhankar visited camps in Assam where many people from the state have reportedly taken refuge due to the skirmishes. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee criticized West Bengal governor's visit to Cooch Behar and accused him of exceeding his power. Kindly refer to my letter dated September 26, 2020, wherein I requested and specifically advised you to refrain from surpassing the Chief Minister and her Council of Ministers and communicating with and dictating the state officials more than your power under the Constitution and directing them to attend before you. I find that you are steadily ignoring this advice solemnly rendered by me to you and have been communicating with and dictating the state officials. Reacting to the TMC Supremo's allegations, Dhankar advised Mamata Banerjee to commit herself to the Indian Constitution.
In response, Mamata Banerjee urged her to revisit her stance and commit to the constitution that by oath she is obliged to uphold and follow, this time to address issues being faced by people in deep distress, assured her of my fullest cooperation with constitutional parameters.
West Bengal Governor asked the TMC Supremo not to ignore her duties towards the state.
We both being constitutional functionaries are subject to the constitution. I am sure you will at least concede supremacy of the constitution, that by the oath you are ordained to follow. It is a textbook proposition that provisions of the constitution can neither be diluted or ignored.
According to the West Bengal Chief Minister, at least 16 people were killed from various parties in post-poll violence.